So in today's video we are going to be showing you how to yes this thing, this noise in Vegas Pro 18. I'm going to tell you how to remove this sound or stop this sound from playing whenever you try to play the video or run the video. So without wasting time, I'm going to get started in this video. So now open an existing or new project, then after opening it, go to the options tab, and after going to options tab, see that there is a metronome option. Turn off the metronome and now play the video. See, the voice has stopped. So bye.